I am so happy to be here. Welcome to 295 14th Avenue. It is a single family home, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, plus 1-car garage parking, a detached cottage, and a gorgeous backyard. Let's take a tour. Let's do it. This property is unlike anything else on the market. The square footage is generous, and that allows a lot of different lifestyles to unfold here. It's renovated, it's in an excellent location, and it's ready for its next caretaker. Is that you?